Today's unboxing video is the Sweet Summer Collection by Creative Memories, and it's got the album with plain pages or with Fast to Fab pages, which are pre-decorated. Some nice hues here, and then you can add your pictures. You're gonna have a paper pack, sticker pack, embellishments pack, and a mat pack. So you'll notice on the designer paper pack that there's coordinating cardstock listed. That's a new thing that they're doing, which is wonderful, because then you can go ahead and pull the cardstock that will go with your collection and be all ready. So I've got eggplant, purple ice, dark sea green, island waters, and tangerine. These colors are gonna coordinate really nicely with this collection. Okay, for the paper pack, we've got these yummy popsicles on one side. We've got sun design on the other. Summer vibe, summer at the lake, SPF 50, sunshine on my mind, very cute. In the back of that is some gorgeous waves. Starfish, sea stars, ooh, that's gorgeous. How fun that is. Clouds, stripes, pretty purple. And these are fun. With these you can cut and do a fun page spread with that. Coordinates so nice. Love it. Sticker pack has these nice border strips. And having a blast, summer break, riding the waves, staying cool, flip-flop kind of day, sweet treats, and has all of these really great little taglines. Next we have Sweet Summer Embellishments. So I'm just gonna pull this out so you can see. Opening embellishments to me is like opening a pack of candy. Let me see here. A mat pack, double-sided. You can do a large journaling box or cut these in half and do two small journaling boxes. Let's see, vertical or horizontal. I might use this in my planner. Summer faves. It's kind of like a summer bucket list almost. Very fun. And then last but not least, Sea Star Sheen Border Maker cartridge. So you do need to have the Border Maker system to use this. So let's pull this out here. See what this looks like. Slides in here. Add your cartridge. That is really sweet. And that beach paper that I found at the end. How cute, just to put this down here at the bottom. Fun in the sun, and then add a few pictures here. That is very cute, Punch Poop. Look at all the little stars. Star confetti. When I get a collection, I like to organize it in a Power Project folder. So I'll just fill out the little tab with the name of the collection. Sweet Summer. Cardstock in the large sleeve. The designer paper in the large sleeve. I'll put all of the mats in one of the front pockets, two different sizes. You can see. Those in the front pocket, the borders here. I'll put the word stickers here. In this long pocket, I'll put the icon stickers here. And this long pocket, the long wavy laser cut embellishments I'll put here with the stickers so that they're nice and protected and I can see them. And then you can put all of these into a pocket, but I tend to not use them as much because I don't see them when they're all bunched together. I will get the cover sheet of the designer paper, which is this, turn it over, put a bunch of repositionable tape all over, which the repositionable tape is the green one. It's the one that's not permanent. It's permanent over time, but it's removable for a while. So I just do this, then I'll just grab these and just stick them down. Any sticky parts that you didn't use, you can just rub off. These larger pieces, I'm just gonna go ahead and put in the front pocket. Now I have all things ready, and then when I'm ready to use it, I can just easily pop it off and put it on my page when I'm ready. But this is a great way to just, you can see them all, see what you wanna use, and I just tuck it right in here with my collection. I hope you like these ideas and the unboxing. Comment below. What are your plans for the summer? What do you think you'll be taking pictures of the most? Have a happy summer. For more ideas or to place an order, visit adashofstory.com.